This is the My Camping Adventures channel. I am at Penn State Barron Knowledge Park, and I am taking an e-bike adventure on the Bayfront Connector Trail. Bayfront Connector Trail goes all the way from Penn State Barron and Interstate 90 going towards Buffalo at the Harbor Creek exit to the Bayfront, Lake Erie, Presque Bay, Dobbins Landing. And a great little place to get a perch basket with fries and a pina colada or a cold beer of your choice, Rum Runners, which is our destination today. Check this out. Look at this bridge. How cool is that? I feel like I'm going through a wind tunnel. Now, you gotta go left. Made a mistake of going right first. Goes to some kind of barn building, and it's a dead end. So now we're getting on the main part of the trail. That was a bump. All right. Tried to do these videos to give you a first-person account, like you were here with me on the adventure. Except that big huge bug didn't just hit you in the ear. Just zip my right side pocket. I can see my iPhone flying out as I'm going downhill at 25 miles an hour. That wouldn't be fun. As you can see, the trail goes right along the Bayfront connector. Now, not quite sure, but I think this used to be maybe railroad tracks, or part of it anyway. Gully, Wintergreen Gorge below this bridge. Trail is used by people walking, hiking, and biking. Interestingly, there's a lot of places you gotta stop and cross for traffic. All right. Just made sure my everyday carry knife was still on my belt. I have a habit of losing it and then finding it. It's an oldie but a goodie. just like me. Alright, hopefully eventually that's gonna say cross. Tried to do this legally. I did press the button, and I don't want to be a road pancake on the GoPro. I really appreciate having you guys along on these adventures and sharing a little bit of the beauty all around me and the loud trucks. Hopefully you appreciate my 80s-ish sense of humor. Alright, hey, we got a walk symbol. Can I do this without perishing? Alright, let's see. I don't know, not off to a good start. Alright, 10 seconds, oh boy. And we made it. Alright. Interestingly, the battery's still at 100%. I'm a little concerned about the air pressure in my tires. I haven't checked them since my forest adventure. They feel a little low. I squeezed them, they were hard, but don't think they're quite at 20 psi. One thing I did bring with me was an air pump. Got a little cooler, thankfully. It was much hotter earlier today. I just want to let anybody who's still watching, thank you. Please subscribe, please share, please hopefully like. I want this to be a real channel, not AI, not slick. Just me sharing my adventures with you all, some cool gear I find, some survival tips, camping adventures. Might do some stealth camping if I could figure out a way to do. I'd be the one that gets arrested. I really would like to get up to 1,000 subscribers. Maybe like a little extra to invest in the channel. And maybe help get my kid to college a little nicer. Got a long way to go. I have a full-time day job. I'm doing this. This is my joy. Honestly, if I get 12 views and I'm sharing with those 12 people, it's my joy. So thank you. I have no sure idea where to go. I think I go left. Yeah, the tires are low. Over, dude. He had a stop sign. That's all I gotta say. Note to myself. Bring an air pump. go over a curb, hit a branch. McClellan Park, so I guess a half mile there I'm gonna duck. Whoa! Yeah, that was fun. I need to trim some of this stuff. Hopefully the video's straight. Alright, the light's green. Hopefully I don't die. Oh boy. Yeah, that hurt. Alright. On my other e-bike adventure, after I stopped filming, a deer popped out right in front of me. I was going downhill about 30 miles an hour. Feathered the brakes, got down to about 25. Thankfully he didn't play deer in the headlights, no pun intended. Didn't have headlights. But deer, an e-bike at 25 miles an hour, I wouldn't have been pretty. Would have been the money shot for the GoPro, but it was off. Look at this. That would have hurt. Think this isn't an adventure? How many people are out here doing this? I'm almost 59 years old, but guess what? I'm 23 inside. My 40th high school reunion's coming up. They're having an 80s dance. I'm planning on doing the gator. I hope you enjoy the scenery. Wow, that was cool. It's one of those motorcycle things, I think, with it's either two in front, two in back, or the two up front and one wheel in back. Oh boy, this is gonna hurt. Oh. One of those things is probably about, I don't know, 30 of my e-bikes. Looks cool though. The wind is like I'm on a motorcycle. Except they can't hear me coming. I feel like the nerd version of Maverick on this thing. Shopping cart? Come on. Are you kidding me? A shopping cart. Abandoned. Wow. I feel like I'm in a really bad video game. You can always go to Walmart and buy an air pump. Alright, that was either an animal or a person screaming to my right. Oh boy. Oh, that hurt. Alright. We're now going into crazy town. Alright. I think I pushed that. Alright. See if I can survive this traffic nightmare. Oh wow, got white already. Oh god. Here we go. Are you gonna kill me, sir? I hope not. Where you live, are people driving like crazy lately? Clothing. Abandoned clothing. I'm gonna see one shoe, one sock lately. Not everybody will be able to come here and do this, but I'm hoping to document the ride and bring you along just like you were doing it yourself. It's a dangerous part to be on and to cross.
Wait.
Wow, they got a voice. Hey, look, it's white. Oh, I hope I make it. 27 seconds, 26. Okay. I think it crazily goes around this little circle. This is gonna hurt. Oh boy, this is gonna hurt if I slam into that fence. That was close. Oh boy. Wow. That was so bad in so many different ways. All right, I'm gonna take a break here. Kind of hard on an e-bike because this does not have throttle control. You either get a little bit too much input or none. And the bike is 65 pounds. With low air pressure in the tires, yeah, and room for one person. Yeah, I'll try not to kill us. Yep. I honestly don't know if I'm still on the trail. Don't think I am. So we're gonna figure this out, because that is not going towards the bayfront. All right, I'm gonna go back this way, see if we can find where we got disconnected. That's cool. It's got a motor on that bike. All right. Hey, this is crazy. I know the trail continues on. Has to. Goes down from there. You know what? It's down there. I don't know. Ah, I see the light. It's that way. All right. Don't know how, but we're gonna get there. Yeah, if I was crazy and 18, I would go there. Might sneak through here. Holy shit, there's a hole. That hurt. Not a good idea. Not a good idea. Especially when you have short legs. Okay. Thankfully, I've already had children. We're back on the trail. Thank you. One time I was on this trail, and I kid you not, I think it was a washing machine was blocking it. Right about here. Okay, this does not look good. another branch. Oh God. Hope the GoPro's still there. Yeah, seems to be. Hey look, it's a junkyard. What was I saying about the scenery? Ah! There are some crazy parts to this trail. I love how I'm waiting. I can't just move on. I get smushed. Alright. I have to be honest, sometimes I feel like my life is the Truman Show. Alright. Big hole in the street. It's always fun. Bump. Only hit my head once so far. For the 3 of you that have watched the video this far, I'm enjoying this. Oh God. Another thing I gotta hit. Used to being out in the woods, not having to dodge traffic, maybe dodge deer, maybe an occasional car. This is truly an urban adventure, I guess. Got 350 miles on my e-bike. I'm hoping for 350 subscribers by next weekend. Please share, please like, click, subscribe. Try and get better and interesting, always. I love pine trees. Pine cones, pine nuts, pine resin to start fires, pine needle tea. You can eat the inner layer of the bark. It's called the cambium layer. both the pine tree and the white birch tree, and I guess a maple tree, I all consider trees of life because they provide so much. Oh, I'm thinking of pine needle green tea and maple syrup, pine nuts roasted over an open fire. That you started with pine resin. Oh boy. All right. I don't know what to do here. Oh, there we go. There's another one. Little area for people to sit, maybe buses. That's that way. I want to go this way. Oh, there you go. I don't know if it's just me, but it used to be that stores and restaurants and just places used to be more interesting. All right, there's a cover over the walk guide. Does that mean it doesn't work? Who knows? All right. That car would have killed me. I don't know what the heck's going on. It's red. That guy's going. That guy's going. I'm not sure if I'm going to survive crossing here. Truly don't know what's going on. There it is, white. Wow. Getting kind of nice again, except for those branches. Bayfront Parkway. Wow, it's gonna hurt. Not as bad as I thought. Okay, this looks promising. If I could get by here without dying. Am I gonna get hit? I don't know. Thank you. All right. Erie's Bayfront. Woohoo! I think I'm going past the sewage plant. Yes, City of Erie composting facility. I'm using the afterburners. Erie wastewater treatment gets better. Be thankful that GoPros do not have smell-o-vision. Here we go. Hang on, this is gonna hurt. Yay. Getting close. Getting close to a basket of deep fried perch nuggets and a pina colada. Be really cool to have more non-virtual friends to just do this stuff with. All right, the Raymond Blasco Memorial Highway or Library. There's the sirens. Ambulance going to the hospital. There's a police car. Hampton Inn, great hotel. Place here called Oliver's Rooftop. Spectacular.